Hey shoppers! We are back in the kitchen making a fresh and flavorful dish.
You'll have the zucchini and summer squash ribbon salad on the table in under 20 minutes. We'll start by making a light dressing. In a bowl, we'll whisk together 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of chopped chives, half a teaspoon of honey, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper, and a pinch of red pepper. For the chives, it's a really easy way to cut them if you actually use kitchen shears instead of a knife, and you just group them all together and snip them bit by bit.
Whisk constantly and we'll slowly drizzle in 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil until the dressing emulsifies.
For our vegetables, we've washed and dried fresh zucchini, yellow squash, and cherry tomatoes. These vegetables are in season right now, which makes this a perfect salad for late summer. We'll slice our zucchini and squash into thin ribbons with a vegetable peeler.
For our cherry or grape tomatoes, we'll slice them in half with a sharp knife.
We'll toss our veggies in the dressing and serve with a dollop of whole milk ricotta cheese.
Be sure to tag My Price Chopper in all your recipe photos. Thanks for watching!